Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video, we will see what is delete statement in MySQL. With the help of delete statement, you can easily delete some rows from the table of your database. Let's see how. At first you have to select your database. So you can see, we have selected school database. After that, we have to check what data we have in our database. Okay, so we have total 8 rows. Now let's take one condition here. Suppose we want to delete 6 row, where first name is Kaushal, and last name is Shakya. For that, just delete this query. Write your delete keyword, then from your table name. And tell MySQL the ID number, which is 106. Finally, try to execute this now. After deleting this, check your table again, with select and from statement. So, you can see the 106 row is deleted. Let's take one more example. Now suppose you want to delete this Alan and Pox. So again repeat the same steps. But here I will change the condition. Instead of ID, I will give last name. So your last name is Pox. After executing this, you can see your data again. So it is successfully deleted. Let's take last example of this video. What if I want to delete whole data? Well, it's very easy. Just write delete from and your table name. So I will not try to execute this, because I don't want to delete my data. This is all about this video. Please subscribe to the channel.